Hey guys, I am here and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this. And what this is a downward vertical redstone, and it uses sand. And I think sand is probably the most underrated, sand and gravel is the most underrated block in Minecraft, and that's because it has a certain feature that we all know, and that's that it falls whenever it's placed. If I can get a good spot, obviously it's going to fall. And so I thought, hey, why not just hook that up to a smart piston? I think this is what it's called. Basically, it detects if there's a block there and moves it. And I learned about that during the sand duplication thing in 1.2.5. And so basically, what you have to do is push the button, sand falls, and then the smart piston brings it back up, so it reloads the redstone downward piston thing, or redstone thing, and it sends a signal here. As I hooked it up to a T flip flop right here. This isn't part of the design, and you can see that this piston is retracted right now. If I go up here and I push this button, the sand will fall down and it will be extended. So I'll show you how to make that right now. Basically, what you want to do is you want to go on ground level, place a sticky piston facing whatever way, then right in front of it, dig down one and place a normal piston facing up. Then what you want to do is you want to place a repeater, like basically a diagonal from this normal piston, and then we want a torch right there. So our sand will be landing right here, and this will be turned on. So what we want to do is place a redstone right there, redstone dust right there, and a block right there. This is so it doesn't interfere with this, and it also will be able to give us a inverter like that. So now whenever we place a sand block right here, it's going to retract this, but as it is right now, it's just going to keep expanding and then retracting. So what we want to do next is dig in a few. Basically, just right underneath this block is the last one you need to dig out. Place a repeater here, and then put it on 2 ticks delay, and then you want to bring the redstone around right there. So let's test it, and it'll place it on top of that. I got that the smart piston thing. Aside from the sand duplication, I found a sand lock for a door. It was a brilliant design and everything, and I think that's actually the first place I saw it. So I don't want to be doing this for a while, and I don't know exactly how high it can go, like 15 blocks or so. I'm not sure. Let's just match it up with this one. It's way too high. I think that's about it. Yeah. So now all we need to do is go right here. On the opposite side of the repeater and the torch and everything that right there, we want to build out 2, delete the middle block, and then place a normal piston like that. Then we want to place a button right there, and this will be your next one. And there's ways of bringing it up another level, and basically just putting that right here. You just kind of have to bring it over one, and then you might be able to kind of stack it opposite. I'm not sure about that. Haven't tested that, but let's try this. Push the button. There we go. Yeah. So if you make it too high, this bottom piston right here will not be able to push it up, so it won't work. That's kind of downfall of this. I've seen some actually way cool vertical downward redstone, mainly by Cube Hamster, using what are they called? Redstone lamps. I think fence gates. I'm not sure about that. I think so though. And pistons with minecarts and detector rails, and it's really cool. I advise you to check that. I kind of noticed that I always in my videos I always kind of like advertise other people's channels, but I just think that there's some amazing videos out there, and I don't think you should just stick with me for some of these designs, because I mean this is kind of lame in comparison, but I think there's a lot of potential in sand and gravel that people kind of overlook. So I'm going to be trying to find some more stuff to do with those 2 blocks and see what I can come up with. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Bye.